Everyone, my name is Smith and welcome to my channel. If you are someone who wants to be a data analyst and MS executive, then you must follow this channel. I will be sharing content and tips on this channel which will help you in your journey. Without wasting much time, let's begin the video. In this video, we are going to see two websites from which you can download multiple datasets. Let's open the first website, which is called Kaggle. You can search here Kaggle datasets. Then this is the first website which you have to click on. Then here on this website, you will find multiple datasets. Whatever category of dataset you want to download, you can download from this website. For example, if you want to download a dataset, let's say find the dataset. So here you will able to see there are different kind of datasets such as computer vision, right? Here you can see network dataset. Let's open this dataset. And if you see here, so that description is also given for this particular data set. Then we have data features, like what are the data features? Data features, it means the column names. After that, we have this data set, right? And if you want to see the columns, what columns are there? So you have to click on this button, and then you will able to see all columns, whatever columns are present within this data set. Just click on apply and click on this download button. So the dataset file will be downloaded. Click on this dataset, which I just downloaded. Click on OK, and you will see here you have the dataset. Now you can make the reports, dashboard with this dataset. But before making the reports, you can click the dataset, and then you can do whatever you want to do with this dataset. Now we will see the another website. Let's go to another website. So another website's name is Maven Analytics. Here you have to search this text, Maven Analytics. Once you search this first website, you will have to choose. Once you click on it, so this will open this particular page. And make sure you log in within this website. When you first time open this website, so at that time it will asks you to log in first. So once you log in, after that you will able to see this interface. After that, what you have to do, you have to click on platform. Right. Once you click on platform, then try to find this option, data playground. Click on the data playground. After that, here you will say here you will see different types of data sets, such as toy store, e-commerce database. Let's click on this, and here all kind of information is given within for this data set, which is toy store, e-commerce data set. See, it is in CSV file. Multiple tables are there. 499 records are there. 25 fields are there. Uh, like travel is there, whether it's there. So like this kind of information is seen here. And here information is also given. So whenever you download the dataset, so make sure you read all information about this dataset. So it will be easier for you to understand the dataset, and you will able to make dashboard or report easily. And also, if you want to see a related guide project, so you can click on this. So it will jump you to the dashboard, which uh, like which already created based on this dataset. Just click on download dataset, and dataset will be downloaded. So here it is downloading. It is downloading in zip file. So later you can uh, extract files from zip file, and then you can use that dataset for your practice. I hope you uh, got the understanding about both websites, and now you will not face any problem related to datasets. And you can download multiple datasets from Kaggle and as well as Maven Analytics. If you face any problem, so make sure you comment down in the video. So I will try to resolve that issue. Thank you. See you in the next video.